In front of me is Motorola Moto G86, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, you don't have to open it, just exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. In Settings, scroll down to click on Apps, then select Default Apps and click on Home App. Finally, click on Launcher Pro to apply it and choose Allow All in the pop-up. Then wait. As you can see, my launcher was successfully applied. To make any changes to it, go into Launcher app and change whatever you want to. If you wish to go back to your default launcher, access the same default app settings and click on Moto App Launcher to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!